Hello friends, welcome back to Styligrate Kitchen. Friends, today's video is about preparing healthy natural fat burner drink. So most of us would like to reduce our belly fat. This is one of the effective drink for the belly fat to reduce. Here I am using simple ingredients which are available in all the kitchen. A small piece of ginger for grinding, and some few mint herbs and cucumber cuts, and also lemon squeeze. So friends, this is complete ingredients for one person to drink. So drinking twice in the morning and also in the night is very effective to reduce your fat early. And also a glass of cold water. So this we're gonna grind it. So friends, if you are for the first time to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and support. And also friends, this is very effective natural drink. Friends, so once the grinding is done, you can stain it. So it's optional. I wish to stain and drink. So after staining, pour the drink juice in the glass, and also we're gonna add tablespoon of honey. Before that, let's check today's motivation. The body achieves what the mind believes. That's very true. So when we believe in ourselves that is we can reduce our fat, then definitely we can reduce. So finally the juice drink is ready. Add tablespoon of honey and mix it well, and it's ready to drink. Drink a glass of 2 times in a day for the effective result. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.